Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zik, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to find blocked accounts on Threads app. It's very easy, so let's get started. Now the first step to take guys is to open your Threads app and then head to your Threads profile. Click on the profile icon at the bottom right corner to head to your profile. So once you're right on your profile, the next thing you have to do is to click on the two lines at the top right corner of your profile. Then click on privacy. After that, look at the bottom of your screen, you find the blocked profile option, tap on it, and then you find all the people you've blocked on both Instagram and Threads app. Alright, so I just blocked only this person, so if you want to unblock the person, go ahead and tap on the unblock button. Alright, so this is how I can actually do it. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, give this video a like and equally subscribe to get more info tips like this. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in my next video.